Today's DIY is going to start with these Cake Boss fondant embossing sheets, and I did find these at the Dollar Tree in the kitchen section, and this is what they look like. Now they have 4 different patterns on each sheet, and I will be giving them a spray with this Krylon frosted glass on one side of the sheets, and on the other side of the sheets I will be spraying them with this Rust-Oleum metallic pearl mist spray paint. So this is how they turned out. Again, there's 4 different designs that come in the pack. Now taking these dowels, also from Dollar Tree, I will be painting them first in this white chalk paint and then painting over that with this acrylic paint from Target. Once they've dried, I want to line them up to the exact size of the fondant sheets, and at first I started to cut them down to size with one of the dog nail clippers, and then I remembered I have this little saw kit, and I just wanted to show you the difference between the cut that the saw makes and the cut that the dog clipper makes. It's a much better cut, so I cut the rest of them using this little miter saw kit. And now I'm going to use some strong adhesive and hot glue to adhere the dowels together. I try to use just hot glue on its own, but because the dowels are already painted, the hot glue did not stick together, it didn't adhere. So I went back in with this multi-purpose cement that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. I used that in combination with hot glue all the way around until the whole structure was complete. Adding the hot glue helps to hold the dowels together until the cement sets, and it needs about a day to cure. I'm going to take some of these gems. I think I picked these up from Walmart, I don't remember, and I'm going to adhere them onto each of the 4 sheets. This is just what one of them looks like.
One eternity later.
Waiting for the structure to cure fully, and now that it has, this is what it looks like, and it's very sturdy. I'm going to adhere the fondant sheets onto the dowels. So I've added 3 sides, and I'm just going to show you how I added them by adding this last side. These are not permanent. Just like I said before, the hot glue does not adhere super well with the paint. So if you want these to be more permanent, you can use a stronger glue, but I know that I want to take these off and use them for another project, so I am just adding the hot glue to keep the fondant sheets on this lantern for now. Now I have some of these glass bead bracelets from the Dollar Tree. You can usually find these up by the registers, and I have taken 4 of them apart, and I'm just going to glue them all around the top, and I'm also going to add 4 at the bottom as feet. And that's it. Our project is done. I hope you guys enjoyed today's DIY. If you did, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. I look forward to seeing you all in my next video. I would love for you to subscribe to my growing family. Take care, everyone. I'll see you next time. Bye.